Welcome to Mobility Solutions.
AffordableMedicalUSA.com.
For comfort in home or mobility on the go, we are a one-stop shop for improving the living experience. We have wheelchairs, rollators, scooters, and power chairs to keep our customers moving. From foldable travel size that are easy to load to the ultimate outdoor terrain scooters that may require a lift, we have it. And yes, we do install the lifts as well. We also provide other services like repairs, rentals, and white glove delivery, where we will deliver items to your home, unbox it, and set it up, and take the trash with us. We also install ramps, stair lifts, access lifts, and other various lifts to fit your house and lifestyle. We have beds for sleeping better at night and transforming to sit up during the day, designed in a way that a patient and a caregiver can appreciate. And if sitting in comfort is your desire, we have a large variety of reclining chairs from LiftChairUSA.com. From single motors to 5 motors, infrared heat and massage, our chairs have special technology to help you relax and rejuvenate. Pretty much any daily living aids you may need. From knee and back braces, bath chairs to bedside commodes, we have it. But we are more than just a store that is selling products. With a great team,
it's folding. It goes.
Good job, Calvin.
We spend time with each of our customers to evaluate your needs and personalize your mobility solutions. We are here to be your informed resource for improved living. With our YouTube channel, Mobility Solutions, we bring you a wide variety of content, unboxing new products.
That'll get your attention. Hold on. How about if I do that?
Customer reviews.
You said you can do what?
I'll do that all day.
That's pretty easy.
Indoor and outdoor ride-on tests.
You need this closer to you? Is that good? All right. Just go down there and turn around and come back, okay?
Okay. How I hit now?
Travel videos that show you what to expect when flying with wheels.
Everything, all the bags is in here, right? Yep. You got them, Zaire?
Repair videos for technicians and DIYers.
See the difference between a fresh new battery? It's a block, it's square. It's not bulging out. This is what looks like in the inside of your battery. And you usually know this is happening if you smell that really bad smell.
And even the occasional factory tour.
It's got an arm in the back of the machine that it'll just push it straight out of that machine into the plastic, release the clamp, and mattress in a box.
And much, much more. We always know when a customer comes into the shop that has been doing their homework.
I know the answer to that.
All right, what's the answer?
You could it's either or.
Yep. So
Because they know exactly what to ask and what they are looking for. Our goal is to keep you informed so that your buying experience is easy, efficient, and tailored to fit your personal needs.
we took the seat off of this one, put it on the Sport, so we're gonna see how she likes the Sport with the other seat on it.
Yeah.
She's losing foot room and she's not that tall, so just keep that in mind if you're tall.
So, this is Mobility Solutions and what we do. So if you have any questions or just want a new local dealer, give us a call today at 803-926-2224 or visit us at AffordableMedicalUSA.com. We hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.